Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get your card number. Your card number is a crucial piece of information for making purchases and managing your finances. Most commonly, you'll find the 16-digit number prominently displayed on the front of your physical credit or debit card. However, some modern card designs place this number on the back for added security. Always check both sides to quickly locate the full sequence of digits you need. Beyond the physical card, you can often access your card number digitally. Your bank's official mobile application is a secure way to view your card details after logging in. Similarly, your online banking portal provides access to this information from a computer. For online transactions, certain digital wallets might even generate a unique virtual card number, offering an extra layer of protection for your primary card. If your card is lost or stolen, it's vital to act quickly to protect your finances. The very first step is to immediately contact your bank's customer service line to report the incident. They will promptly cancel your existing card to prevent any unauthorized transactions. Following this, your bank will issue you a brand new card, complete with a new card number and expiration date, typically arriving within 5 to 10 business days. Protecting your card number is paramount to financial security. Always be extremely cautious about who you share this sensitive information with. Never provide your full card number to unverified individuals or websites. Be vigilant against phishing scams that try to trick you into revealing your details. Finally, make it a habit to regularly review your bank and credit card statements for any unauthorized or suspicious transactions, reporting them immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.